Okay, DLH Lawn Care Maintenance, I'm back. Quick view of the property I'm about to take care of. I'm gonna get all this mowed and cleaned up. All them leaves, I gotta take care of this one. And over there where the blue car is. Now that guy got a bunch of leaves on that one. I don't have time to take a glimpse of the back. I'm gonna take care of these two properties right here. All right, stay tuned. Okay, finally finished. I'm not gonna walk way to the back, but I'm gonna show you the after of the front. This one. Remember, there was a bunch of leaves out here. Look at that. Got it all cleaned up. Then give you a view of this one over here. Left still got some leaves left, bunch of them. And I picked up a new one. Then right there, I picked that one up. I'm gonna go take care of that one Monday. So I'm on the ball. I'm on the ball. So make sure y'all hit that button, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up.